2025 Bajaj Qute Auto Rickshaw is a unique vehicle designed to cater to the needs of modern urban transportation. It serves as a practical solution for individuals and small businesses looking for an affordable, efficient, and eco-friendly vehicle. The Qute offers a middle ground between traditional three-wheelers and compact cars, blending the best aspects of both worlds to create an innovative mobility option. Starting with its heart, the Qute is powered by a reliable 216 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder DTSI engine. This engine utilizes Bajaj's patented digital twin-spark ignition DTSI technology, which enhances fuel combustion, leading to improved power delivery and fuel efficiency. The engine produces a modest 13 horsepower, which may not sound like much, but it is perfectly suited for the Qute's lightweight design and its primary role as a city commuter. With a top speed of around 70 km/h, it's ideal for short-distance urban trips, offering a safe and manageable driving experience. The availability of petrol and CNG options ensures flexibility for users. The CNG variant is particularly noteworthy, delivering an impressive mileage of over 35 km/kg, making it one of the most economical choices in its class. The Qute's design is all about functionality. Its compact dimensions, with a length of just under 2.8 meters and a width of 1.3 meters, make it a perfect fit for crowded urban areas where parking and maneuvering are constant challenges. The design prioritizes simplicity, with a boxy shape that maximizes interior space. Large windows dominate the exterior, providing excellent visibility for both the driver and passengers. This focus on visibility enhances safety and confidence, especially in busy city traffic. Inside the cabin, the Qute offers seating for 4 occupants, including the driver. The interior is minimalist but durable, built to withstand the rigors of daily use. While the seats are not luxurious, they are comfortable and practical, with enough legroom and headroom to accommodate adults comfortably. The elevated driver's seat provides a commanding view of the road, which is particularly helpful in dense traffic conditions. The straightforward dashboard layout ensures ease of use, making the Qute accessible even to new drivers. The lightweight construction of the Qute is another standout feature. By using advanced materials, Bajaj has created a vehicle that is not only strong and durable but also incredibly light. This lightweight design enhances fuel efficiency and makes the Qute highly agile, allowing it to handle tight turns and crowded streets with ease. With a turning radius of just 3.5 meters, the Qute can navigate narrow lanes and make sharp U-turns effortlessly, giving it a significant advantage over larger vehicles in congested cities. On the safety front, the Qute offers basic yet essential features. The monocoque body structure provides a strong and stable frame, while seat belts for all occupants are included as standard. Although it lacks advanced safety technologies like airbags or anti-lock braking systems (ABS), the Qute's design emphasizes safety at lower speeds. Its limited top speed of 70 km/h reduces the likelihood of severe accidents, making it a safer option for urban use compared to faster, larger vehicles. The versatility of the Qute is a key factor that sets it apart. While it excels as a personal vehicle for daily commuting, it is also highly adaptable for small-scale commercial use. The spacious rear seating area can be reconfigured to transport light cargo, making it an excellent choice for delivery services, small traders, and businesses that need a cost-effective vehicle for local operations. Its low maintenance requirements and affordable running costs further enhance its appeal, providing long-term value to users. In terms of environmental impact, the Qute is a step ahead of traditional vehicles. The CNG variant significantly reduces emissions, contributing to a cleaner urban environment. Additionally, its compact size and efficient engine mean it consumes fewer resources, aligning with the growing demand for sustainable transportation solutions. The 2025 Bajaj Qute Auto Rickshaw is more than just a mode of transportation, it's a practical, efficient, and innovative answer to urban mobility challenges. Its affordability, eco-friendliness, and versatility make it an excellent choice for a wide range of users. Whether you're an individual commuter looking for a budget-friendly vehicle or a business owner seeking a reliable workhorse, the Qute delivers exceptional value. It redefines what an affordable, efficient, and practical vehicle can be, proving that simplicity, when executed well, can drive real innovation.